Blessed be love who once made me choose this way, her who wants me not, nor deigns, nor holds me dear. For if she wanted me as I want her here, I'd have no service left to give. I say, prayers and mercy, pity and timid fear, songs, courtship, sighs, desires and tears, all would be lost if it were custom state that lovers ever be loved at equal rate. A youthful body full of beauty's bloom, gay, amorous, courtly, of gracious cheer, where true worth rises and is fashioned here, has conquered me, I cannot think elsewhere. For I go nowhere, turn no other way. My heart and eyes are always drawing near, and if I ever forbid or take them clear, may love ne'er let me in its joy hold sway. Gladness and pleasure come the more I ache, and I am paid so good is suffering's cheer. For I far rather for her sake draw near to languish than another's gift partake. I do not wish to find a lady's gate who gave me joy too lightly, soon or late. For joy is naught unless honor it restore, and honor naught unless love brings its store. If love so wills and mercy lends its might, I shall be healed of sorrows and their weight, and of the pains where I've long held my state. But reason presses strikes and makes my plight. For all I think turns to another leaf. A fool I hold myself who still aspire to what cannot nor should not come entire. Yet not for that do I change my belief. From my lady reason cannot part my way, though I cry out by God and by her right. And if reason draws its riches from that height, here on this side of mercy I make my sway. And her praise loses not its fine allure if pity gilds her cliff with golden light. The God of love has rightly judged the pure. A lady must her lover's wealth secure. To go complaining I forbid and cure, rather I'll thank if she will even hear. Love, who is guide and tower to me clear, and feeds me daily on honored thoughts and fate. With joy renewed I hold me fortunate, no falsehood in the mirror of that sphere. Her will I honor, serve and hold in dear. Let him who will be jealous at my gates. Where all the valiant gather in one place, go song to and doozy hasten with good pace. And if in noble court you'd have success, cry often Castelnau and Roquefuel.